videographed. Air Force, not the Google, they have done the satellite imagery, not the satellite imagery, but the Air Force, basically air photography has been done, and that air photography has been now chromatized with the digital photography on the ground. Now 3D model of the Delhi is available. There will be 64 cameras shortly. I think in another period of 4 to 6 months you will be seeing all over Delhi. Those camera real-time situation you can see, and a daily governance can be done from a simple one monitoring control room. Whichever part of Delhi I want to see, I can see. The CM and the CS, or means the real governance, can be done from there, and all the department. It's no longer. I was telling Mr. Mitra, School of Planning and Architecture, that now the days of the drawing board on the basis of which the engineers normally go in for the civil engineering drawing the PWD will be drawing on the computer, whether for the roads, MCD, whether for laying pipelines, water pipelines or sewage pipelines, or even the house tax. The house tax, already I have linked with each house tax. MCD is just collecting house tax from 8 lakhs houses. As per our survey, there are already 45 lakhs houses which we have already digitized. Similarly, the roads, the MCD maintains 28,000 kilometers of roads in Delhi, and the total roads in Delhi is just 15,000 kilometers as per, of course, what we know. Means, of course, these are the plus and the minus of the financial aspects, and also large number of cupboards now which will be open, which also has this plus or minus point. But the thing is that the IT has come, and another is the G1 centers, where 260 already are there. Anybody can open a G1 center with investment of 1,25,000, of which 25,000 is a security deposit, and 1 lakh is just for putting up the 3i Infotech, who is the partner, private company, will put up the computers, broadband and all. And all the 104 services, which include your water bill or electricity bill, property tax, or for that matter even railway ticket you can take from them, or admission in the school, government school of course, not the convent. So 104 services will be available at the doorsteps of the people. Only thing is, these are all tedious, difficult. Bureaucracy takes its time, but it has to ensure that it is, if it do something, it has to be perfect. It all depends both on the cooperation and the good wishes of everybody. But I am sure IIT definitely can change the way the people think, the people live, can bring about a lot of improvement. And definitely, of course, by the time I have given this 5, 7, 10 minutes, the wonderful, did you know, I think not many things would have taken place by that time also. Thank you.
One small question, Mr. Swedel. You mentioned that mapping. Which is that camera you mentioned? What is the name you mentioned? I didn't register. Yeah.
This will be the IP cameras, Internet protocol camera. These cameras will be installed, of course, at a different height, and will be able to cover 5 kilometers. So these 64 cameras will be coming. So up to 5 kilometers you can see, that will be wireless control. These cameras will be there will be 10 monitoring centers and 2 control centers. So 10 monitoring centers will be in the 10 different, each of there are 9 districts in Delhi, but of course they will be manned by the MCD. And these monitoring centers then will be linked to the 2 control rooms. One will be in the where the, of course, the Delhi headquarters is in Clear building, and one will be in the Metcalf house.
And they will do the mapping, or mapping is different?
They will be on the real-time basis, but mapping, of course, has already been done.
What is that? What is
So this will be basically to ensure the safety, security, movement, and all those things. So this camera will be the real-time camera. So real-time daily, like if this is the control room, so you can see the daily, whichever camera you put on, and so that camera you can see.
Mapping, is there a technical name for that? Mapping activity? Machine, you mentioned some machine.
TerraVision. That's a TerraVision machine.
TerraVision.
Oh. It's an imported machine. It's cost 4 crores.
Oh.
And cost lot of traffic jam, and we have to take a special permission from the police commissioner to please ensure the safety and security of the machine. Of course, one machine definitely, of course, was even damaged also, because it creates a lot of. But we have now been able to map the entire day.
I think that's very. I think you realized he went to DTC, he had CNG, he went to JNU, he went to MOUD, which was a very static, sleepy ministry, revitalize it. Now everybody, the whole country talks about urban India because of JNURM, and I think the IT sector and what you are doing in Delhi, I think there are lessons for rest of the country. Someday you should tell us. We will share. At some.
Tomorrow, of course. Tomorrow you can also come. I have invited Shir Sagar, TCPO, and of course Dr. Mitra also. The urban planning should be in this way, because recently, of course, I went in Pune also, geospatial data infrastructure, because most of the states in the country doesn't know how this can be done, how the urban planning should be there. So this is the way the urban planning should be there in the future.
We would try to attend that. Thank you.